Okay, welcome back to the next video. And in this video, we'll be talking about posts or posting. Okay, one of the biggest advantage of using Edmodo, just like using Facebook, is to let other people know what you want to say or what the thing you're sharing. So posting is one of the most important things, features in this Edmodo. So you can send a reply to posts. There are some different modes of posting. You can have the notes. Notes are basically just a normal writing you want to send to someone to say something. Alert is more like announcement. When you key on the alert, it will simply means that you will actually have a typewritten bold kind of wordings, something like an announcement. The difference between a note and alert is, like I say, alert is more like announcement. For alert, you have a limitation of 140 characters. For a note, there's no limitation. Or you can send assignment, which I'll explain much later on in the training, and or even do a quick poll for your students or even with your colleague. Okay, so this is the posting. And who can you post to? Edmodo allows you to post in different ways. You can post to one person, a few person, or a few person in a group, or can send to every teacher or teachers and students or everyone. Well, just like our icon email where we can send to all Riverside, okay, for example. So you can send to a particular student if you know the student's name, or a particular teacher if you know the teacher's name, or you can send to a group, say this participant group, let's say, oh, you join into this group, I can send announcement or resources to the whole group by one posting. Or you can send to yourself, which I do, maybe just a reminder for yourself. Or you have some problems, you can send to regard to technical problems to Edmodo, you can send to support discussion. Or you can send to all groups. Let's say I have 3 groups, D&T, CPA, and this training group. I can send one announcement to all 3 groups at once. Or I can send to all the teachers that are connected with me, or just for everyone that is in this Edmodo posting. Of course, because this model allows you to do it under different schools, but in this case, since all of us in the same school, you can send everyone in the same school, or you can send to just the teachers in Riverside SEC. Okay, so let me show you this example of how it looks like. So say I want to tell all of you this is my first posting. Okay, so I will send to okay, Edmodo training group 1. So I just type EDMO and it will try to look for similar wording or grouping. So you can see I have EdmodoCon 2011. EdmodoCon 2011 is something that I have, a conference that I've attended, online conference attended last year. So this is not what I want. I want to send to all of you in this training group, so this is Edmodo training group 1. Or I can send to my D&T teachers. Okay, notice the parents there, which is not what I'm going to go through to you, but you can actually send to student parents, okay, D&T, so on and so forth. I can send to, let's say, Miss Chai, CHAI. Yes, Chai Cheng. So this is how you do it. Once you send, you click the send. I'll send to Edmodo Training Group 1. Send, and you will send out the groups here. You can't see here because now I'm at the group called D&T. If I go to Edmodo Training Group 1, you will see, yes, this is my first posting. Okay, so that's posting, that's notes. You can send, you can share a file. So I can try, I am posting a video. Okay, then you click on the file and you choose a video from here. So I will choose, say, Edmodo Training 4, and it will take some time. I will send to all of you. Okay, so this is what it means. It will take some time because it is quite a large file. So let's let it go. Okay, say I want to send a alert. Alert, like I mentioned to you, is just like posting. Let me cancel this one because it will take some time. Okay. Oops. Okay, I want to send. I'll show you. I want to show you alert. Remember, alert is just an announcement. I will say, do not forget to complete LFF for this course. Okay, do not forget. So I'll send to, yes, now you can see this is the video which I posted now. Let me complete this announcement. Remember I said that, oops, let me try again. Do not forget to write the LFF for this course. Okay, you can see I'm quite useless in my typing. Okay, send to Edmodo training group 1 send. You notice the, like I say, alert is just like an announcement. You get bold out. So that's different between alert and note. I can do a quick poll. For example, how are you feeling today? Great. Sucks. No. Not so good. Okay. Hell. Okay. I send to Edmodo group 1 send. Okay. So those of you can later take a vote, and this is how it looks like. Okay. So this is the, or you can do the quiz which I explained in my training later on. Okay. So this is how it looks like. Okay. After you have posted quite a lot of things, sometimes you want to find some things that you want to recall back. So this is how you can do by searching. Search box is located at the top navigation menu. You can search through your posting by typing keywords. Or you search for a teacher, you must type in the teacher's name. So let me show you an example. I know in my, let's say I will show all. Okay, I've done some reflection, so I want to put reflection, any words that have reflection, posting, not in this group, say in DNT, I want to, yes, so you can see anything that has the word reflection are shown here. So these are Ms. Chai's reflections for her DNT reflection, this is my reflection, so on and so forth. So this is one way of doing reflections. Doing searching. Say we're going to search for Doris. Any posting that is related to Doris. Oops. Okay, I think it has gone. In this case, it's search for teacher, not search for posting. Okay, so you can actually search either a person or you can search the posting. Okay, let's go back to the slides. You can filter the posts. That means if you have quite a lot of posting, you want to see certain posting, you can do by the following method: by direct or by student. Say you want to only see the posting by a particular student, okay, or by me, or so on and so forth. So what you can see from here is here. Okay, you can show the posting, filter the posting. I say, for example, I want to see only all the posts that I've done or somebody has done the post. Okay, so this is the post, the sound of post. Or let's say I want to see all the alerts that I've put in so far. Yes, these are some of the alerts. So this is called filtering. Okay, of course you can manage your posting. Sometimes you realize that some of the things that you posted is not so good, or you have typo error but it's posted, you want to edit, or you think that some of the posting are not so relevant or sensible, you may delete them and things like that. Or you can even do tagging. Tagging is just another way of filtering or putting some identity to your post, or you can remove some of the posts that you have added to the library. Okay, so how to do the edit posting? You can click on to the message. There's a little small arrow button here which shows you some of the options to delete, to edit, to link, to add, or to publicize it so everybody can see. So if you want to edit some typo error, you can click on the edit, or you can delete this post completely, or you can link this post, or or add this post to the library, or make it public in this particular slide. Just be careful of making public, because once you make it public, everybody can see. When you say public, it means even everyone in the internet can see. So be careful about this. Okay, for those who are doing the training class with me, you may want to try task number 4. That is to try to add a posting to your colleague, send it to a colleague or send it to a group. It can be announcement, it could be a alert, it could be a assignment, it could be a poll or things like that. Try sending something and see whether you can do some editing or deleting. Okay, before you do that, I forgot to show you how to do the editing. So say for example, okay, do not forget to write the LF for this course. I decided that I think not so correct in the things I've said. Do not forget to complete the LLF. Save. Yes. Okay, say for example, this particular one, I think that I think this not correct. I want delete. I can delete the post. Okay, so you can either do this, delete, edit, link the post, or make it public, which I shall not do it now. So this is how you can manage your posting. So for those who are in training, please try and do try to do the posting. Okay, let's continue because the posting part of this training is quite long. So the next thing I want to show you is the posting can be added library. So some of you may be wondering what is this library all about. So say for example you want to record some of the things and put it into for filing or archiving. So this is what you can do by adding it to the post. Okay, or you can link some URL, video, or things like that. So you can do, for example, this is an important thing you have discussed with your colleague and you want to send it to another teacher, not through Edmodo but through email. You can link this, and this they will create the link for you to post it in your email. Tagging, this is what I meant because there are so many tagging. So for example, what I did for my D&T teachers is when they want to do reflection, they post it on Edmodo, and in order to differentiate the normal posting from other posting is they can do a tagging, which I'll show you later on. Okay, so this is the last part of the posting training, posting video. So let me complete by showing you the demonstration about the tagging, the linking to the post, linking files to the posting. So say for example, okay, let me go back to the Edmodo training group 1, and I say blah 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 blah. So I post it out. Okay, then okay, this is the announcement I send out, posting that I send out. So if I say this is very important posting, I want to link this to the post, then I click on the link to the post, and this is where you will get the web link address. You can copy and paste this web link address and send it through email, or can put it on the web page for other people to follow. So the other one is the add post to library. If this is important, you want to add to the library, and you find that this is done. Okay, I'm not sure the library part because this is the more intermediate advanced training, which I'm not going to cover for this particular training. Next thing I want to do is tagging. Okay, notice the tagging. I have quite a few tags here. For you, when you click on tag, you may have nothing. So say for example, this is a training kind of tag. So I put training, Edmodo training, Edmodo training. Okay, so I will tag this particular one for Edmodo training. So what it means is, say for example, if you want to search back all the related announcement on Edmodo training, provided you have tagged it as Edmodo training, then it will surface out easily. So this tagging basically just help you to organize your posting. Okay, so this marks the end of the training on posting. In the next series of video, we will be talking about assignment and quizzes. So I hope you can join me later on. Thank you.